The Federal Security Service of Russia has foiled a Ukrainian-directed plot against the Engels military airfield, home to Russia's long-range strategic bombers. The suspect, a 35-year-old resident of Volgograd, was recruited by Ukraine's security service, SBU, after living in the Lvov region between 2019 and 2022. According to the FSB, he agreed to carry out sabotage in Russia in exchange for Ukrainian citizenship. After undergoing special training in Kyiv, the man returned to Russia under the guise of moving back home. He rented an apartment in a high-rise overlooking Engels and, posing as a courier for a delivery service, scouted the area. Investigators said he was preparing to install a navigation module that would have guided Ukrainian drones toward Russian Defense Ministry facilities.
I left for Saratov in order to rent an apartment in a tall building and overlooking the city of Engels.
The FSB detained him at his residence, opening a criminal case under Article 275.1 of the Russian Criminal Code on secret cooperation with foreign intelligence. He remains in custody. In a separate case, the FSB detained a man in Donetsk who, on SBU instructions, was preparing hidden caches of explosives for future sabotage. He had photographed administrative buildings and key infrastructure sites before receiving components for improvised explosive devices. From the caches, operatives seized detonators, plastic explosives, and a remote control actuator. The FSB said his mission was aimed at destabilizing the region. Both incidents, security officials stressed, show how Ukraine's special services continue to rely on covert sabotage inside Russian territory, while Moscow's counterintelligence remains focused on preventing such attacks before they can be carried out.